Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Street Level Reality. Today we're starting our walk through one of the oldest landmarks in South England. This is St. Andrew's Church here in Hamble-le-Rice. This just isn't an old church. This site has been a place of Christian worship for over 900 years. I mean, this is a nice looking little area here. We are going to start off at the church and walk down to Hamble-le-Rice, known locally as just Hamble. We're going to take a look around here. You can see how old a lot of these gravestones are. We're going to dig into this quiet little village in South England. Here, this is the busiest street in Hamble, leading down into town. It's a picturesque village on the River Hamble in Hampshire, England's south coast, as we mentioned before. This is a quiet sailing village, but there's much more to it. We got a little watering hole, ye old White Hart. Hamble-le-Rice has a population of approximately 4,600 residents, making it a small village. I would say so. Hamble has a noticeably higher population of middle-aged and retired residents. Families are here, but are generally older. It's an established community rather than a fast-growing one. Got a nice little pupper dog up here. Love to see pupper dogs on the channel. Cutting across here just to check out this phone booth. That's what I think when I think of London. Well, it appears to be working too. All right, here we go. We'll shoot down High Street here. Got some bars and restaurants down this way. Alright, this is going to head us right down towards the water, guys. The village is split about 50-50 gender-wise, males and females. And Hamble's just a short drive from Southampton. And professionals are choosing to come here on the weekends. Remote workers are increasingly more common here. It's one of the best destinations for yachting and boating because of all the marinas here. Go check out the water down here. Crime here is generally low, very low violent crime. All the kids are down here messing around in the water. Check out all the boats out here. Not much of a beach area there, just some rocks. But everybody seems to be having a good time down here. All right, guys, that's going to conclude our walk through Hamble. It is a very small town, so just want to give you a little snippet of what it's like to be in a little town in England. Hamble-le-Rice. Have you been here? Would you go? Let me know in the comments, and hit that subscribe button. Like the video on the way out, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.